Saturday night in the summer. Sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and they're renting Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it.
We finally made it to our first destination. It's a little pit stop on our way to like Quinta.
I love hearing you talk when you're recording. It's so funny.
I know, you sound so different.
Yeah.
Everybody says that.
You
have like a specific voice for it.
Yeah, you do.
It's my vlogging
time.
So yeah, we're just gonna have lunch here and then stop by a little cafe and continue to our destination.
Oh my god, is that Alina?
You're so embarrassed.
Oh, come on.
Just got to our Airbnb and it's super cute. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. That was loud. This is the entryway. And we're here. What are we doing, Julie?
Getting ready for a birthday bash.
It's Maria's birthday today, so we made them stop by the store to grab the food while we decorated this place. That's why it's all like this. So you walk in, and this is our living room.
Oh dang, yeah, these are like some legit freaking doors.
And then we have the kitchen table.
Hey guys, this ain't the cutest.
Everything is the cutest, honestly. Here's me.
Have so many games. Hello.
This is the kitchen. Super modern, chic. And you come around like this. Here is the patio.
I'm like down to just chill in here all weekend.
This is the cutest thing. We could just have breakfast out here and a chair.
This is our house. We all split amongst us girls.
Palm Springs.
Yes.
More decor.
One
We
song.
have this. Board games. This is the cutest bathroom that... This bathroom is to die for. Honestly, bathroom goals. Bedroom 1. Super cute. Bedroom 2. This is the master. The master bathroom. Here is the backyard. Very desert vibes. We have a pool. We have like more little cute chairs with little mugs. Cactus. Honestly, I'm most excited for this. We have these pool things. They're covered. Same with these. And then there's a ping pong table over there around the corner. We just finished our dinner and we were at In-N-Out, you know, super not basic, super...
You don't have to talk in that voice.
Okay, whatever. Everybody says I talk differently. So annoying.
So we're like in In-N-Out.
Okay, we were In-N-Out and
we're going to TJ Maxx now. Just
we're gonna do some
out.
shopping.
Yeah. That's all. That's all. We're not super interesting.
We're not like super cool.
Like, we're just looking for a hat. Is that a big deal? No.
We just ran into people, well not we ran into, but we were leaving In-N-Out and they asked if we were YouTubers. And I said no because I don't want people knowing my channel. You guys, Somebody just asked us if we were YouTubers and we're like,
Yes.
no!
I would be like,
Would you like me to sign your forehead?
you should have said yes and follow me on Alina.
No, Victoria was like, Alina's Adventures, and I was like, no, we don't have to share that. She's like, don't you want more subscribers?
Yo, what up? No, just kidding. It's day 3. We made it to Antigua. I think that's what it's called. We're eating. We're gonna eat. We're about to order. Ordered a side of lemon. We finally made it out of the house. We're looking really good today. That's all.
We just got our food and now we're all gonna dig in.
And I can do this at home.
Have delicious food.
And everything looks amazing.
And dance to Antigua.
We just heard fireworks, but I whipped out the camera too late in order to get them on the camera, but we saw fireworks. Anita said it was the highlight of her trip.
I'm totally kidding. It was so late.
I'm like, okay, 4 fireworks so you can see out like wherever cats are eating.
The neighbors were like, do more. It's day 4 and we have checked out of Palm Springs, but we are still in Palm Springs because we're trying to go to a coffee shop and an ice cream shop before we continue our trip. But that's pretty much it for now. We checked out, super sad. The place is amazing. You guys are getting more?
Ladies, can you raise your hand if you drink mine? I just need to know who to request. Who wants to try some?
Вкусно! Мороженое вкусное! Hey guys, so I just ran into this vlogger right now. Oh my gosh. This is Alina's Adventures.
This is cereal.
Can I take a picture with you?
No.
Good, because you do not look good.
I don't have enough followers. Subscribe, please.
Okay, subscribe and like this channel, guys. Comment down below. The link is going to be right here. Just other Instagram girls here, like fotkаются. Look at those two over there. Hey, Anita. Hey, Anita. Oh my gosh, they're so white.
I love how you're sitting, Victoria.
I know.
She's just chilling.
Whoa.
Hey guys, я бы даже не брала. I just want everyone to know.
We're like
I didn't know.
Isn't that just like a healthy?
And everybody know that, please.
This one's vegan.
Is it really?
That
What
doesn't
is
make
it?
it better.
Blackberry.
You think that makes it better?
You think you're healthy because of that?
Do you believe that lie?
This is
You
vegan
do
too,
this,
just so
like-
you know.
You're gonna be so fat.
can't decide.
It's like red. It makes you fat.
Cute. Oh. Good evening. It's later on in the day. Day 4, right?
Is it? Yeah. Wait, day 3? Day 4?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, it's day 4. We have just gotten ready. That's why we look so fabulous. And we're going to have dinner. It's the little bachelorette dinner where we all wear black and Anita wears pink. And we're on Rodeo, so let's see if we find parking.
Make this a slow-mo shot. Yeah. I'm here.
But yes. Over her, no
Public
used to watch this vlog.
Public parking.
Знаешь, we do the Rodeo drive. Знаешь, like.
Wait, Anita, do it. Do the Beverly Hills mom thing.
No, she does it. Masha.
I do a Russian one. Are you kidding me, guys? Public parking. Куда вы меня завели? I'm not used to this. Where's valet? Where is he? Where's this guy? Guys. They don't say guy. They say guy. Where's this guy?
I literally can't.
My vlog hair. I think it's funny, but my oh my god.
When your family sees this. Wait, where are we going?
Girls, we exit through that one because that's why we get up.
Oh, wait, hold on, Anita.
So right.
People
with mom, I'm here with my girls, and we went to Allstate, but we didn't buy anything because they have like a sale right now. It's not a sale. We love that clearance. You know? That's why we're rich. Я ходила в Gucci, and you know what they say to me? You cannot bring the water in there. And I'm saying, what the hell are you saying to me? I can drink my water, okay? Oh my god.
I am literally dead. Wow, that's a lot of ladies in one elevator.
Beautiful ladies, good times. So many of us. So does anyone want to click the button? It's over. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm used to my security guard clicking the button.
Like, what is this?
Wait, how did you do that? I don't understand. Which one do we press?
Which one goes up?
Oh my gosh.
Я так хочу суши. Anita.
Is it an organic ceramic video?
Oh my gosh.
Somebody parked next to us. Oh my gosh. Who they think they are? Get out of here.
It's currently the last day and we are in Malibu. We're going to eat breakfast at Malibu Farm and the other girls are still looking for a parking spot. That's it. That's pretty much it.
The thing is, these look cute, but I think these are gonna taste better.
I'm gonna ask her how many. Hey, we can't show that.
This is an Alina sniffling shot.
This is real life.
This is how Alina was the entire trip, so this you get to see the real.
Tell me, Alina, how are you feeling?
I'm okay.
A little congested.
A lot.
What are you drinking there?
Some lemon ginger tea. It's actually disgusting. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, nice and lemon gingery, but it has like pepper in it.
That sounds disgusting.
It is. How do I talk normally?
I don't know. I mean, you sound so
have a different emphasis in your voice. Hello, guys.
I sound a little more excited than I usually am.
And pictures the whole trip.
We're the worst, but also the best at Instagram. Did you see that?
No, what?
He said, hey, how you doing?
Who?
The guy in the truck.
We're YouTubers, you didn't know?
I'm teaching Julie